Are you a growing manufacturing company running off spreadsheets? Are you struggling to increase productivity, but you just can't get the data visibility you need? iTrack software delivers manufacturing execution systems tailored to your unique processes for 10% of typical MES costs. Seriously, 90% less expensive. And we do it in a matter of weeks, not months. What makes us different? 1. We're manufacturing people first. We get it. 2. Our innovative ToolTrack MES platform provides world-class functionality out of the box and enables rapid customization for a lot less than you'd expect. 3. You always get unlimited users for a low monthly subscription without a long-term contract. Sound too good to be true? Put us to the test. See what our customers are saying at www.i-trackcorp.com and schedule a free demo.